Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, January the 12th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok, and this one I will start is the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku and number 5780. Yeah, 5780. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But you can, yeah, that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need my time limit 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? I don't know. Do not know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s, 4 3s. All right. 3 4s, 1 5, 1 6, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. Well, the 3s. Can I start with the 3s? Well. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 9, okay. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, can it be a 1? Because we have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. About a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay, 9. 9. That means Here we need a 9. Okay. Well, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. Okay. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay, now look to this column. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or there in this column, here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there, so the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9, now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. 5, 6. The 3. Need a 3 here. 2, 1, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. 8. 5, 6, 8. Well. I need pairs again. I need pairs. We have all the 4s now. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 2, 2. Interesting. Well, 7. Come on. Need the 7 here. 7. Well. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 6. It should be the 6. Yeah. How about a 5 then? Yeah. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Let me mark those. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, first column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5, 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Okay. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Oh, overlook this 2. 2 and a 6. We already have a 2 here in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So the last row, only 3 places left for the 6. Could be here, here, or there. But we need also a 5 in the last row. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 6 and the 4 and the 5, 6, 4 in the last row. So the other pair, so the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, 7, 9, and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 2. 1, the 2, yeah. 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. So sometimes you need to, if you are stuck, you can fill some numbers. So maybe then there's an opening here. So we have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. One of the missing number in this. Oh wait, we have 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in that row. So no 7 in this box. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, so 1 digit left. Oh, I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this third column for number 6. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in the third row, and no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 3, 6, and 2. Need a 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this first column? 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Yeah, 7, 7, 7. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So the 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here together with the 6. We have a pair, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. There's 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column. Oh, wait. 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. No, 5 and 8. We have an 8 now in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8, 8, yes. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. Alright. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. And now 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 2. Oh, we have a 3 and a 6. 3, 6, and a, ooh, the 1, 1. Okay. 1 box left in the middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2, 3, 6. Okay. 6, 6. Yeah, 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 6 should be here. 2, 3, 6. So this box should be a 6. And the other 2 box should be 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Although I have 1 less printed digit than the previous Sudoku. I'm faster than the previous Sudoku, yeah. 17 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Is this 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.